Oh! Oh no! Uh-oh. Oh! Where is Evan? He was wanting to play.
Nobody's safe.
Okay, I gotta get ready for you. Here, let's give her again.
I give up. I give up.
I give up.
Oh, Evan wanted to do this. Where is he? Stuck in there playing with his dang toys.
They're all after Grandpa. There you go, Grandpa.
Evan, they're doing the water balloons. Come on, you're missing it. Come on.
You're all out.
Looky, there's one. Grab that one. Go throw it at somebody. Go throw it at someone.
Oh, Evan.
They're in the backyard, Evan. Go get them. Follow Isaac. That was cold.
Go hold enough water.
Uh-oh, there she comes.
Oh! Hey, it makes mud bombs.
Oh!
Oh!
Okay.
Here, let me get one. Oh!
Oh!
That's the ultimate wetness. Oh, man, we got a whole bucket full of them. Pop, just go inside. Let's just go inside. Here it comes, Pop.
Where's Evan?
Good job. That would do any better?
He hit it at Grandpa! And hit it at her!
That's a good block.
What about those people?
Use the grenade power! Grenade power's best! Grenade, ready, and a grenade fire!
Ooh.
Oh, good one, man. Hey, I threw it. I knocked his old. I knocked it right out of his head. Go inside. Go inside. Time out.
Attack Grandpa! On to the battlefield! You have a lot!
Oh, she gets shot.
I hope I got you at least once, Yvonne.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no.
That's okay, I got you back.
That's all right. I'm already wet.
No, I can do it.
Oh, you got one, Evan? Throw it at Grandpa. Go throw it at Grandpa. Go get him. Go get Grandpa. Get Grandpa.
That's it.